we've got an echo trimmer that's not running so good. Let's take these covers off and see what's going on. First, we're gonna check the air filter. So we need to undo 2 of these bad boys on the left side of the trimmer. And for the reveal, well, that's not too pretty. Let's try and get all of this wiped off. My goodness. All right, careful not to get anything in here, but if you do, be sure to clean it. We're gonna take these 2 screws out and get this to come off. All right, you should probably use hand tools only, but screw it. One, 2. All right, we might have to disconnect some hoses here, but I'll try to work around it for now. Not too shabby. Oop. Maybe replace a gasket here. All right, I'm gonna get some of this cleaned up with some parts cleaner, and I'll be right back. All right, so it's looking like the culprit is gonna be some failed gaskets here. This one's looking pretty rough. That was on the back of that. A lot of gunk going on, so I'm gonna go get some more parts cleaner, go get the tune-up kit from our local equipment store, and get this thing running perfect.